models 2500. Models 2500, line to manufacture rollers from 35 up to 55 millimeters of diameter. Following the several processes that make up this line, we get paint rollers from 35 up to 55 millimeters of diameter, of different kinds of fiber and length. Along all the processes of programming, loading and collection of material, only one person is required, thus optimizing the output rate and reducing the manufacturing costs of the final product. The loading of the polypropylene tubes, the cores where the fiber strips will be attached, is the first line feeding step. The tubes are pulled and loaded over a bar of 3.4 meters of length, which is a part of the model 2500/B. The aim of this device is to fix the fiber strips to the tube that has just been loaded. The joining of the fiber with the central tube is achieved as per the combination of several items. First of all, thanks to the high temperatures of the thermofusion system, which prepares the material just before receiving the fiber. Secondly, by rolling up the strips helicoidally over the surface just warmed up. The combination of these processes results in a solid and strong fixing of both materials, a key point for the final quality of the roller. After the fixing, the rolled tube is placed on the plates of the model 2500/EB. The bars lose temperature in this machine, and we cut off one of the edges with a cutting group along this process. This small section allows us to adjust the total size of the bar, in order to make the accurate cuttings that limit each roller. The model 2500/CR cuts the bar to the accurate size previously programmed, thus being able to get rollers from 6 centimeters up to 50 centimeters. The equipment is activated by photocells, which detect when the material arrives from the previous device and realizes all the programmed and completely automated operations. The production output goes from 2,500 up to 3,000 per hour, with just one worker along the production line. Those are the excellent results of the models 2500 for rollers manufacturing. Models 3500. Models 3500, line to manufacture mini rollers from 13 up to 30 millimeters of diameter and blocked by an end. Following the several processes that make up this line, we get paint rollers from 13 up to 30 millimeters of diameter, of different kinds of fiber and length. Just like the 2500/B, the model 3500/B has a tactile display with information about production and access to the different parts of the machine. The polypropylene tubes of the selected diameter are loaded over the hopper of the model 3500/B, thus starting the processes of this line of equipment. This pulls the tube over a bar of 2.10 meters with the aim of fixing the tube and the fiber strips. Thanks to the temperatures of the thermofusion system, the fiber strips are fixed to the tube, rolling up helicoidally and fixing to it instantaneously. This production line is formed by devices like the Model 2500 line, with similar processes and characteristics, although adapted to the small diameter of the manufactured rollers. These bars, just rolled up of fiber, are placed on the plates of the Model 3500/EB, where they lose temperature in order to be handled later. An end is also cut off within this process in order to adjust the size of the bar.